Hi everyone, I'm Mersita. I'm from WapCar. Borneo Safari 2023 this year has been pretty amazing. We tried the Isuzu D-Max 1.9 Single Cab. That car is definitely a workhorse. You can just put everything at the back of the car, and then we had a 70-gallon water tank, and then we had our rations, our water, bags, boxes and whatnot. With the addition of traction control in this year's 1.9 Single Cab, it definitely is a game changer. It helped us to get through a lot of the obstacles that we had. And Borneo Safari is definitely that once in a lifetime experience that everybody should just go for it.